Going on, everybody? Jesse with Man Wild Outdoors. We're out here for another shed hunting trip 2024. Sit back, enjoy. Hopefully we can pick up some decent ones today. Number one. Nice. Big ol' 4. Nice 4. What's going on, everybody? Glassed up our second shed of the day. Gonna be right up there on the red hill off to the left. Make our way up there, see what it is. Looks to be an old white 3. What's going on, everybody? Walking this deer trail. I've got a horseshoe here. Hopefully that means good luck. See how many more we come across. Oh, look what we got. Just came down this wash. And another one. Number 3. Nice fork. Glassed up another one right across over here. See it in the grass there. Make our way to it. See what it is. Number 4. Nice 4. Older, but still nice. Glassed up number 5 across the canyon up here. Another white. I'm gonna work our way towards it. See what it is. Maybe. All right, number 5. White fork. Older. Still a nice fork. Not too bad. See if we can find some more. Gonna make our way back to the truck. Looks like we might get hit with some rain. These are gonna be the 5 we picked up today. Looks like the 2 forks are gonna be a set. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. More to come.